Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on this 2K outdoor wireless camera. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go ahead and actually check it out. I actually needed one in the backyard area, so this should do. Installation guide. Type-C cable. Screws for it. All right, and then the actual camera itself. That's cool. Look at that. Built-in solar panel. Never have to charge it. That is super cool. So let's go ahead and actually hook it up to the app, put it up, and see how it works. Okay, and before you actually put the camera up, you want to go ahead and download their app right here. Then you're going to want to go ahead and open it up. I will allow the notifications from the app. Go ahead and create your account, simple information, and then you're going to want to hold the camera up to your phone. Once you do, it'll recognize it. Then you're going to want to go ahead and name your camera. I am going to name mine Backyard Entryway, but like I said, you can name it whatever you want. And then just go ahead and hit next. And then once it's good to go, it's going to go ahead and give you the display. So after that, then I'm going to go ahead and actually install it. Like I said, it's only 2 screws, a very simple setup. All right, and then after that, this is what the camera looks like once it's properly installed. So you can see, light turns on. That is pretty dang bright. Very, very cool.
Alright, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So if you guys are looking for a new camera with these built-in solar panels, definitely consider